I've been using Quant Tekel for a while now, and in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review of whether it's a solid prop trading firm in 2025. Quant Tekel, formerly known as Ascendex Capital, has been gaining traction in the prop trading space by offering traders access to funded accounts ranging from $10,000 to $200,000, with a generous profit split of up to 90%. One of the standout features is the flexibility in their evaluation process. They offer multiple challenge models, one-step, two-step, and three-step evaluations, each designed to test different aspects of a trader's skill set. There's no time limit to complete these challenges, which is a significant advantage for traders who prefer to work at their own pace. The firm also provides a scaling plan that allows successful traders to increase their account size up to $2 million, rewarding consistent performance. Their trading platforms include CTrader, DXTrade, and TradeLocker, catering to various trader preferences. Additionally, Quant Tekel supports a wide range of tradable assets, including forex, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies, providing ample opportunities for diversification. However, there are some considerations to keep in mind. While the firm boasts a high profit split and flexible evaluation models, some users have reported issues with the dashboard interface, such as loading problems. Also, as a relatively new player in the industry, Quant Tekel doesn't have the long-standing track record that some other prop firms possess, which might be a point of concern for risk-averse traders. In summary, Quant Tekel presents a compelling option for traders seeking flexible evaluation processes, high profit splits, and a variety of trading platforms and assets. While there are areas for improvement, particularly in user interface stability and establishing a longer track record, the firm's offerings are competitive and worth considering for aspiring prop traders. If you found this review helpful, please support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.